Your safety matters most.
It's this little school kind of surrounded by train tracks, and they really needed someone to come and help them out in this community to get rail safety.
Hi, I'm Tim Kelly, and I oversee Metro's efforts to protect you and your family while you're on our buses and trains, and while you're close to them, in cars, on bikes, and on foot. We're hoping to prevent scenes like this. A key member of our team is Safety Director Ella Collins.
Together, we're making sure Metro is on the right road to keeping you safe. We've invested tens of millions of dollars in safety initiatives. You may have noticed some of them, like more Metro police officers enforcing traffic rules in the medical center and other places on the rail lines where collisions have been most likely.
We've switched from gongs on trains to horns, which are much louder. Rail cars are wrapped in bright colors. New fencing is up.
Red backplates have been put around all traffic lights to make them stand out. And you have seen the wigwag headlights we're testing on trains. They flash to really get your attention.
And that's what it's all about, everyone paying attention, from our operators and mechanics to you when you're behind the wheel or traveling near transit. Remember to stop, look, listen, and follow all the traffic signs and signals.
Working together for better mobility is what we're all about.
Help us celebrate 40 years of service to you.